In this video, I'm going to show you how to make video course in Skool. So in here, after successfully accessing the community homepage of your Skool account, what we're going to do is we're going to navigate on the menu navigation on the upper part of the screen through these tabs in here. As you can see, you have various tabs in here. We go to Classroom. Now in Classroom, when you click this will then direct you to the list of courses that is currently in use inside your Skool community and is deployed to your members. So simply select the course in here that you would like to add or create a video course to. You can also choose add a new course in here. But since we already have a course, we're going to use this for this video. And when you click in here, this will then open up the list of materials that are currently uploaded inside your Skool community course in here. Now, to add a video in here, what we're going to do is we're going to navigate on this new page section and you can see a pencil icon in here. When you click on the pencil icon, this will then allow you to make some edits and modifications to the content of the specific module that you have inside that course. So you can add in here various texts, but since we're talking about videos, what we're going to do is you can either embed a video in here. It can be a link from YouTube, Loom, Vimeo, or other video platforms in here, or you can also select a video file then drop in here. Once you do that, you have now successfully created a video course inside your Skool community. And that's about it. That's how to make video course in Skool. If you have any question, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.